Audimute provides sound management solutions that are easy, green, and affordable. After correctly treating your space with Audimute, whether through sound absorption, sound blocking, or a mix of both, we guarantee you will love what you hear, or do not hear. In this video, I'll show you how to install acoustic panels using Loctite Power Grab Express heavy-duty adhesive, which can be purchased on Audimute.com or your local hardware store. For this application, I'll be installing AcoustiColor Panels. Audimute's AcoustiColor line of sound absorption products are coated with your choice of paint, which allows you to choose the colors that blend in or stand out in your space. To install, you'll just need a construction-grade adhesive. We recommend using Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy Duty. Use a caulk gun to apply the adhesive on the back of the panel. On a panel, apply 2-inch diameter dabs, no more than 2 feet apart. Press firmly into place for 30 seconds and you're done. Also included with your order will be a paint touch-up kit that can be used to cover any nicks that may occur. If you would like free sound advice, have any questions about our products, installation methods, or optimal coverage, please reach out to us via email, chat on Audimute.com, or call 866-505-MUTE. Please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.